Hey, hello, welcome, thank you for being here with me. My name is Craig DeBecke, and this is the introduction to my world of disconnecting to reconnect. I'm here just outside of Cambridge. Look at this, isn't this beautiful? You got a huge pond here, the leaves are turning color slightly, much more in different places. You've got the character of that old iron bridge. I'm connecting with nature, even though there's a road right next to me, and sure, people might honk as I'm doing this video, but I don't care. I'm at one with nature, and I just feel so energized here. And that's what I want to help you with my video series. So today it's October 12th in 2022. In 2019, I did my first solo trip. Seriously, my first solo trip, and I went to the Azores. The Azores are 9 islands in the middle of the Atlantic. They're Portuguese. I learned to speak Portuguese, and that's where I went to remove myself from the stress of life, because the pressure was just coming down on every aspect of my body and my mind. So I developed this series called exactly that, My World of Disconnecting to Reconnect. This is the introduction again. There's 5 videos. What you're gonna see here, the first video will be a summary of what it means to disconnect and reconnect, what it meant to me. The second video is on the aspect of disconnecting, how you need to do that, what can help you, where you need to go, dealing with other people in your life. The third video is reconnecting. The fourth video is called Dots Do Connect, which is actually my website right now, my first website, www.dotsdoconnect.com. And in that, I talk a lot about connecting with the past and putting things into place and finding the good in the past. And then the final video introduces you to my Willywig Principle. You heard that right, Willywig Principle. Willywig stands for where you look is where you go. And I'm excited about you seeing those videos, because coming out of that, out of this video series, is my new science called human mechatronics. Human mechatronics is a trademarked science that I've created. There's 5 facets of human mechatronics, and it also developed into my newest website, www.humanmechatronics.com. And I'm really excited about you seeing that one, because my intent there is to help people think. Because man, like, we've been through so much. How are you doing after COVID? We've got a war going on, Russia and Ukraine. We've got economic worldwide pressures, inflation, everything. Like, today, the world is scary. And I want to give something to you that may help you. You may find something in there. I hope something resonates. Now, secondly, in finding something, when I did this video series, there's one video there that I made a glaring mistake. I mean, I screwed up. I know what this guy does. I know what he did. And I'm on tape screwing up big time. So for the first 10 people that find that error and email me, and you'll find that my email on the website, email me and tell me what it is. I'm going to send you my latest book, Human Mechatronics and the Double-Edged Power of Influence, which is also on Amazon, but I'm going to send that free to you, okay? Signed, it's yours for the first 10 people. Find it, because it's a bad mistake. I know better. Anyway, I gotta stop there. If you're stressed, find a place like this. Find a spot. Yeah, I know, like I said, there's traffic here. Nobody's honked. But just make sure you make time for you. Okay? You are the most important thing in your world. And you may disagree with that. You may say your kids are. You can't take care of your kids really well if you don't take care of you. So I hope you enjoy this series. I look forward to feedback, and I look forward to this adventure called Human Mechatronics and what you may learn from there. In the meantime, my name's Craig DeBecke, and I thank you very much for being here. Ciao, take care, be well.